If you cook a lot, chances are you've got leftovers. Don't let that frustration get you down, because now you've got the wheel of leftovers.
Wait, this isn't an infomercial.
That's right, it's a show where I take leftovers and turn them into an entirely new dish. Here are the rules. I've got 10 spaces and 3 spins. Whatever shows up, I've got to use in my new dish. Here's what I got. Egg whites, shallot, strawberries, roasted chicken, raspberry puree, butter lettuce, pork, pastry cream, tomato sauce, hamburger buns. Let's give it a spin and see what we get. Hamburger buns, strawberries, pastry cream.
So I've got my main leftover ingredients. Now we just got to think of something to make with them. So, like a strawberry sandwich?
A strawberry sandwich, not likely to be very good. But what we do have is the makings for some pretty great French toast. We're going to use that pastry cream as a custard that we can dip our leftover hamburger buns in. Since you probably don't have pastry cream sitting around, I'm going to leave a simple custard recipe down below in the description. But first, we're going to need to process those hamburger buns. So I'm going to have you preheat your oven to 300 degrees. We're going to cut the edges off the hamburger buns to make them a little more square, and then cut them in half to make them into sticks. Once that's done, we're going to just place those in a 300 degree oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now back to that custard. We're going to add a couple of spices: cinnamon, fennel, cardamom, vanilla, nutmeg. We're also going to add some orange zest and also an orange liqueur. Next, we're going to process our strawberries, cutting the tops off, then slicing them. We're going to need a small saucepan, and we're going to add 10% sugar by weight. Cook the strawberries over a medium heat and then mash them once they become soft. Then we're going to pass the strawberries through a sieve, making sure to get as much liquid out as we possibly can. After we sieve out the strawberries, add the juice back to the pan and start to thicken. Once the puree coats the back of a spoon, cook it down till it deepens in color. Then set aside and let cool. And now to cook our French toast. We just want to dunk our French toast sticks in the custard. Once all the sides are covered, then add them right to the pan. And cook till golden brown. Then all we have to do is plate it up. And enjoy my next video on reducing food waste, or if that's not up, my video series on pistachio desserts.